welcome back. Today we are going to be we'll be opening this Lego Spider-Man set, which has 152 pieces. So, let's begin. Let me just go ahead and get my broomstick. So, I'll be right back. So, I got my broomstick. Let's open it. It's not opening. Well, I didn't plan that out. Let me just put that away. Let me open it with my fingers. Oh, God! There, it worked. Okay, it worked. Finally, let me just go there. There. Get that out. So, bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, that's bag 4. So, these are the stickers. This is a ginormous manual. Here's the barcode if you want the manual or something. I don't know what it is. Let's begin. So, like these. First of all, we need 1. Where's 1? Here. Let me just open it. Ah, that was easy. Okay. Got my Spider-Man. Okay. There. Okay. Got my spider legs. First of all, where are all these pieces? Okay. So first, you'll need to open that. Bag 1. Let me see. I'll open that. I'll open the webs at the last. Okay. The mechanism. Oh, I need to open this. It says I have to. Let me move those pieces to one side. Yeah. There, get that out. Stop closing, manual. Okay. Let me get these mech. Okay, it's this piece. Where's this piece? Uh-oh. I don't know where this piece is. I'll be right back. So, I found the pieces. Let me just see what to do. Okay. So, you got this part, and you got this part. See this? Now, I think you connect this like this. Yeah, you connect it like this. Like this. Then now, you connect it like that. Then now, you get this piece. Well, I think... What do we get? Oh, we need another piece like this. And... yes, well, I think I do that. No. Here like that. Then this. What am I supposed to do? I'll do the webs last. Okay? So let's just move on. Move that piece. Move these pieces. So, skip all the webs. The webs, easy. Oh. No. Okay. We're gonna make the mechanism. Okay, let me see. This piece. This blue piece. Get over here, red piece. This red piece. Okay. Connect. I think like that. Yeah, like that. Now you flip it over. And now you go like this. And then you get that exact same piece, which I need to find right now. And then do it like... No, wrong. Right when I find this piece, I'll be right back and I'll find that piece. We've done bag 1. This is how it'll look after. We'll have the Spider-Man web. Spider-Man sits in here, I think. Well, yeah, he does. Then this is the bottom part where you connect the legs and all that stuff. This is where you connect the arms. So let's get started on bag 2. this so far. The legs, the arms here, this, the right arm, the left arm, the body, the torso, the silver plate. That's the silver Lego plate. So let's get on with big 3. So we've finished bag 2. So this is how it looks. We got the hands for the mechanism, the body, the torso, the legs. We're not done yet. This can't turn that much. It can only turn like that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so let's get on with big 3. So this is how the spider mechanism looks like after we finished bag 3. So let's begin with our spider. This part, no, not that part. This one, the spider legs. So let's begin. After building the webs, it looks like this. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, the way we're Spider-Man, da 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 da. So, hey, this is how it looks after we've built all of the stuff, like the fingers, the arms, the legs, like this, the leg, the spider legs, the ones that are back here. You can move them up in like this, like this. You can open this, it's fully articulated, but then this part, the Spider-Man has to stand in it, so like that. Hope you guys enjoyed this building video. Like and subscribe to this channel and the other channel, Super Mega Fun Fu and Bluey Tune. So bye.